How to install Elementor in WordPress. Go to your website's WordPress login page. This is usually just your website address with /wp-admin at the end. Enter your username or email address and password. Now scroll down the left sidebar of WordPress to find plugins. Don't click on it, hover with your mouse and click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, write Elementor and press Enter. Since I already have Elementor installed, I'll show you how to do it with another plugin on the left. Click on Install Now, wait a bit and then click on Activate. Now you'll have Elementor in the left sidebar of WordPress. Hover it with your mouse, click on Settings. Make sure you have checked the post types you want to edit with Elementor, usually posts, pages, and landing pages. Now you can start editing pages and articles with Elementor. Hover to Pages. Click on Add New Page. Put your title, then click on Edit with Elementor in the top bar. Now you can start putting widgets like headings, paragraphs, images, etc. And that's it for this quick, easy tutorial for beginners. If you have other questions, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.